If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a way to build a sales funnel or for a sales funnel software that is easy to use even if you don't have tech skills. And that's what I'm going to show you. I will show you the funnel building software we use in our business and that thousands of other entrepreneurs are using to create powerful sales funnels. The software I'm talking about is called Clickfunnels. There's a link to a free trial if you want to sign up straight away in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you will also receive an awesome bonus, our Clickfunnels course, to get you started and help you succeed with Clickfunnels. But before we dive into it, like this video and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on the future content about funnels and marketing. Well, we are going to look into the variety of features Clickfunnels offers and what makes it the best funnel building software out there. The first thing I want to show you is how easy it is to build a funnel in Clickfunnels, even if you don't have tech skills and you have never designed anything before.
Right, first things first, you don't have to build your funnel from scratch. There are a lot of nice looking and also well-built templates for different funnel types in ClickFunnels 2.0. For example, lead funnels, unboxing funnels, as you can see, for book funnels, cart funnels, for challenges, presentation funnels, and so on. And there are also a lot of different templates for the funnel pages themselves. And of course, if you have an idea of what you want to build and how your funnel should look, you can start from scratch. Let me show you an example of a template and how easy it is to import it into your account and start adjusting the copy and the images. We will start with the lead funnel. To view the lead funnels templates, you would need to click Select. Then you can watch the instructions on how to import your funnel to ClickFunnels 2.0 and also the strategy of the funnel and the implementation, which components, which parts this funnel should have. You can browse through the templates of the lead funnels that are available here. If you want to preview the template, just click Preview. And if you like the template, you just click Add to my account. Then I'm selecting Workspace where I want this funnel to be installed because a ClickFunnels account on a specific plan may have different workspaces. And in a few moments, this funnel will be added to my account. I will click Customize now to keep editing the funnel. Now let me show you how easy it is to use the ClickFunnels page editor and that you can do it even if you don't have technical skills. To start editing the page, I just hover over it and click Edit. The ClickFunnels page editor have different components. We have the biggest one, which is a section with the green border. Then we have a row, which may contain multiple columns or just one column. In this case, we have 2-column row. And then we have different elements, the orange border, like subheadline, headline, bullet list, some paragraph, image, video, and so on. You can easily add any of those components. For example, if I want, I can add a new row with 1 column and then start editing different elements to it, like a paragraph, an image. And the same way, if I don't need that row anymore, I can just delete it by clicking this button. You can drag and drop the elements around the page. Let's move this paragraph down there, and I can move this video to the first column of this row. And if I don't like the changes that I made, I can just click this reverse button to reverse the changes. When I want to edit the text, I can just select this element, select the text, and type my own headline. If I would like to add an image here, I would click Add Element, select an image, then open the settings of this image by clicking on this gear icon or just by clicking on the element itself. And then I can select an image from the gallery or just upload the image from my device. Also, the ClickFunnels page editor has a useful feature which is called universal sections, which can be used for footers and headers. And what does it do? If you save a section as the universal section, for example, I would like to save this footer, and then I go to the Save function and make the section universal. It means that when I add this section to any other pages of my funnel, because I want the footer to look the same on all the pages, and after some time, let's say I need to make some changes to delete this logo or to replace this logo, I only need to edit this section in one place. And after that, Clickfunnels 2.0 will populate the changes everywhere where I use that universal section. I think you will agree that it's quite convenient. And another point worth mentioning is a style guide that you can find here or also in the settings of the site. In the style guide, you can define how different elements will look. For example, what font you're going to use, which font size you will use for the headline, for the subheadline, and for the paragraph, which colors are your main colors, like for example those colors, how the shadows, borders, buttons will look on your page. And the best thing is that when you build your funnel and you add, let's say, a paragraph, it will inherit the look that you created for a paragraph in your style guide. So you don't have all the time for every element select your font, select the font size to make your page look unified. The elements that you're adding on the page or on the funnel will already look the same way that you set them up in the style guide. When you're done adjusting your page, you should click Save to save the changes. And after that, we can go back to the funnel, because what I want to show you next is how to add different pages to the funnel. Let's add a sales page. To do that, click this plus icon, select Page. And as mentioned before, we have different templates for pages. We go to the sales category, and then you can select the one that you like. You can give your page a name, add a description, and update the page URL, but you can also do it later in the settings of the page. And if we quickly preview the sales page, you will see that it already has the components that you would usually have on the sales page. In my opinion, this makes the creation of the funnel much easier because you don't have to figure out what to put on your page. You already have the blocks, the sections, based on the best practices of the funnel building that you should add to your page. And you can just go with them and adjust the copy for this page. One of the things that sets ClickFunnels apart from other funnel building software is a one-click upsell and downsell. After our customer buys our main product on the sales page, we can direct them to our upsell page and introduce another product on that page. If they like the product, they just click one button and the product will be automatically added to their order. They don't have to enter their payment information again. And that's what makes those upsells and downsells so powerful. In ClickFunnels, you can easily create upsells, downsells. If someone declines our upsell, they are redirected to another offer, usually cheaper, which is a downsell offer, or order bumps. Those are usually small products that can be added to the order just by ticking off a checkbox in the checkout form. All of this helps seamlessly increase the cart value, meaning you sell more. Now let's add our upsell page, and I will show you the powerful checkout element that the ClickFunnels 2.0 has. To add an upsell page, we again click the plus button, select a page, and we select the category upsell or downsell because this page will already have the checkout element with the settings that we need. Now our upsell page is ready. You will also need to add products to your page. That's why we see those warning signs. And you can easily add a product just by clicking on this sign and then click Add Product. And either create a product if you don't have any, or add the product from the ones that you already have created. And the other warning sign is about a calendar event, because this specific page template has an event attached to it, but you don't have to sell an event on the upsell page. It can be anything. And let me quickly show you a checkout element. A checkout element in ClickFunnels 2.0 is used for different things, like for regular checkout, for order bumps, but also for upsells and downsells. It's a bit different from ClickFunnels Classic, where we had upsells and downsells as separate elements. So here is our checkout element. It's quite simple for an upsell page because an idea of an upsell is that on the sales page we already get all the contact and billing information from the customer, and on the upsell page they can add a product to their order just by clicking one button. They don't have to enter their billing information again. That's why on the checkout element on the upsell page we have this button to add to the order and also the no thank you link. If somebody clicks that link, they don't want you upsell, you may redirect them to the downsell page where you can offer a cheaper product, or they just go to the thank you page. And as for the checkout element in general, there are different styles for the checkout element that you can select here. You can select from the templates that are available in Clickfunnels 2.0, and after that you can go to the settings and adjust those templates if you want. You can also select the amount of checkout steps. It can be 1, 2, or even 3. And how the elements will look like. In Clickfunnels 2.0, you can also use PayPal and the credit card as a payment method simultaneously on your funnels. And you can watch a video on how to add a PayPal to your funnel by clicking on the card up here. In case you didn't notice, you can see the analytics for your funnel here and also for each page separately. Another thing worth mentioning is that you can split test your pages. For that, you can just click this icon and select split test page. We can either create a new page or duplicate the one that we already have. After that, you can make some changes on this duplicate page. For example, change an image, change a headline, change some copy, and then you will be able to split test which page variation performs better. Alright, we now covered the most important things about funnel building in Clickfunnels 2.0, but that's not all you can build using this platform. In Clickfunnels 2.0, you can also build separate standalone pages, your site, this will be here, a blog, you can create a store, also a community. For example, instead of a Facebook group, you can just use Clickfunnels 2.0 platform and host your community there. You can create a customer center and, of course, different courses. If you're curious to see how to create other things, like for example, a course or a site using Clickfunnels 2.0, you can watch the videos on our channel about that. Another thing that I like about Clickfunnels 2.0 and what makes it the best funnel building software is the product management. You can easily create a digital or a physical product in Clickfunnels 2.0, add a description and an image for this product, set different prices, and I do mean different. For example, we can add multiple price points, we can also add one-time price subscription or a payment plan, and there's also possibility to create a paid trial if you have a subscription product, or even to add a setup fee. We have the information about the inventory and shipping, also different purchase actions. For example, if I buy this product, I will get an access to the course, and that will be done automatically without any manual effort from your side. And we, of course, can add different variations, which is mostly applicable to physical products. If you want to add, let's say, different colors for the t-shirt, different sizes, and so on. And on top of that, you can manage the fulfillment of your orders in Clickfunnels 2.0. I didn't create any orders that would require fulfillment yet, that's why I cannot show you all the details, but you can see that in the order section we have the information about all the orders, invoices, different subscription data, and there is also a section for fulfillment where you will be able to manage the products that require fulfillment. And to manage the shipping of the products, Clickfunnels 2.0 uses the integration with Shippo, and you can watch the video that you will see on the card up here to see how you can create your Shippo account connected to Clickfunnels 2.0 and set everything up. By the way, as for the integrations, there are quite a lot of them. If you go to the settings and then click integrations, then connect integration, you will see all the services that can be connected to Clickfunnels 2.0, and the team keeps adding more and more services all the time. And if there is no service here that you would like to use with Clickfunnels 2.0, you can always use Zapier to create zaps and automations and connect the service that you would like to use with Clickfunnels 2.0. And last but not least, what I want to show you is the possibility to manage your email marketing in Clickfunnels 2.0. We have the whole section for the marketing here. And using Clickfunnels 2.0, you can send broadcasts, so one-time communication with your email list. You can also create different email templates, clearly. You can use countdown funnels, which means you can add countdown timers and countdown events to your emails and also to your funnels. And you can create workflows. A workflow in ClickFunnels 2.0 is like an automation in other different autoresponders, for example, ActiveCampaign. You can use a workflow in ClickFunnels 2.0 to create, for example, an email sequence that you will be sending to the contacts that are added to your email list. But you can also add actions like add a tag, enroll into the course, integration with the third-party software to the workflow.
That's it for today. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. As mentioned before, you can find the link to a free ClickFunnels trial in the description of this video. And before you go, like this video, click the subscribe button, and see you in the future videos. Bye bye.